hand seems to be, as you can see, the hand is automatic, which is pretty cool. It's got a nice engraving on the side here. The clasp is pretty nice, so this looks pretty cool.
This is a notice watch. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. It is a gorgeous watch.
That is really, really nice. Leather's actually really movable. I'm definitely happy. It's definitely worth the $100, and yeah, there you go.
Ooh, chronograph, diver. It's a smashing good watch.
Alright, so it looks like it's an Elevon watch. It's a really nice watch. Chrome and stainless steel. Just an overall nice watch for the month of September.
Got my new watch today from WatchGang. Very nice.